This hand squeeze flashlight is the ultimate emergency tool. No batteries needed. Just squeeze and go. Perfect for camping, power outages, or whenever you need a reliable light. Crank it up, light it up. Let's check it out. This is a hand squeeze or hand crank flashlight. This flashlight uses no batteries and converts your own energy into light. It works by hand cranking a permanent magnet motor, which generates electricity for illuminating the attached LEDs. And these are the LEDs, there are 3. This is the lever that you have to crank or squeeze. And then to crank the magnet motor, which is this one, you have to press this button to the down to this side. So, and then squeeze it. And then to use the energy to light, slide this button up there. And to secure the lever back, you squeeze it and then press this button up there. This is great in an emergency situation and could be used for decades. Cool item. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new uploads. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.